There you go. So this is how my hair is gonna look if I put curls on it. So if we didn't have this top layer, all the curls were gonna be here, and then because your hair is heavy, it's just gonna take them all down. Now this is just allowing us to have some extra curls like over here, and then in the front, because we did the layers in the front, is just making your face look longer, which makes you look taller. Also, you can see I have a lot of volume right now because of that. I can move my hair really easily from side to side. I usually wear it on the sides. I just did the part in the middle so you can see how it is going to look because we did cut it in the middle. But same thing, if I do it on this side, we'll have a lot of curls on this side, and then if I do it here, we'll just have a lot of volume here. So yeah. And then thank you so much for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe and give me a like and a comment. Let me know if you tried it out. How does it feel, if you like your hair. Be sure to follow me on Instagram for everyday videos on how to do your makeup and hair and tips. I will be uploading soon a video on how to color your hair because obviously these roots need to be touched up. Be sure to check that on that too. Thank you again for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and you have a wonderful day.